Hey, Phil Spitzer here, Le Cuisinier de Ménage, the household chef, and I'm here with another installment of the College series, which are simple and easy recipes to make that are also inexpensive. And today we're going to make a Parmesan Orzo Pasta. Today to make the pasta I'll be using my own homemade chicken stock. I've made a previous video of that before, so I'll put that link in the information section for you as well. If not, store-bought chicken stock works just as well. But you do want to cook your pasta in the chicken stock because it just raises this dish to another level. So anyway, let's get started with our Parmesan Orzo Pasta. Okay, the oil is heating up in a pan over medium heat. And you know when it's time to start to add the onions and the garlic, when you can put in a couple of pieces of onion and it starts to sizzle. Then it's time to add the other ingredients. So if you've watched enough of these or you know me by now, it's always the same story. We're gonna cook the onions and the garlic until they're fragrant and translucent. We don't wanna brown them, we just wanna get them nice and fragrant. So nice medium heat, maybe even turn it down to low a little bit, but get that nice fragrant smell. So we've added in the butter, and that's to add a little bit of more moisture in before we add in the pasta. And we get that nice fragrant smell. It's time for the pasta, and now we're just going to stir that in, completely coating it. You want to have a nice shiny shimmer on all that pasta and mix it well together. And then we'll go in, add in the warmed chicken stock. Okay, now we've added that warm chicken stock. We don't want to bring it to a boil, but we do want to bring it up to where we see a few bubbles forming, and then lower the heat. And then we're going to put the lid on and then just stir it from time to time. Maybe once every 3 or 4 minutes, take the lid off and give it a stir. But take a good look at my little bubbles there. That's about what you want to have, and just give it a stir every once in a while. And it's going to take about 15 minutes. So we're looking for al dente pasta. We don't want it a little bit chewy, but we don't want any crunch to it. And what I also like to do is take the spatula and run it down the middle. If I can see the bottom of the pan, and then it folds back in over itself, we're ready to add the cheese. And so what we're gonna do is add our cheese. That looks beautiful. And stir it in and mix it until it's completely melted. And then you are finished, and enjoy this. It's very simple, easy. One of my favorite dishes, one of the family's favorite dishes. I added this to the college series because it's quick, it's easy, and everything included was under $4 to make. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.